Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing of this brand new Scentsy warmer. It's an Alice in Wonderland one, and I am obsessed with Alice in Wonderland. Super cute little box too. And this was $75. It did come with a Alice wax as well, and that smells pretty good. Have the instructions on top. This is so cute. So here's the bottom half. Mad Hatter's hat. And then Cheshire. It does say Scentsy on the back. There's a Disney sticker on it. Got a little warmer. It's been a while since I've ordered like a big warmer from them, and I guess they don't have the light bulbs anymore, which I like. But here's the dish that you put the wax in. Very cute. And then we have Alice falling down the hole. That is so adorable. Guess you could set it in like that. That's so cute. At first I had wished they did a different Alice in Wonderland type one, but this is very cute. I did just plug it in, and of course, since there's no light bulb, no light emits from it. That makes me a little sad because I do like to see them glow. But that's what this is. The light glows red when it's on. That way you know if it's on or off. It's a little rubbery looking light. And then here is the wax. We're all mad here. It smells good. So that did come with it. They also had a bundle where you can get the Cheshire stuffy as well, but we already have one, so I didn't order that. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Super cute. And if you guys are interested, I do have a party link below if you'd like to order anything. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.